This is a second-hand HITACHI ZX50U hydraulic crawler excavator. The ZX50U excavator is equipped with the original Yamaha 4TMV88 engine. The core components are all original. The bucket capacity is 0.19 cubic meters. Excavator bucket and matching thumb clamp. Boom side shift function. Power is 29.8 kilowatt. The working weight of the whole machine is 5,170 kilogram. Mini excavators are flexible in operation. Widely used in construction and farm. Clean and amazing appearance. Good performance, very flexible. Used excavators are more cost-effective.